That's one of yours, Lind.
What do we borrow blitz on?
I think you could use that one indoors.
Hey, that's used the design though, because
Jeff, for this one you'll have to be careful because the stick's a bit broken, but it will still.
Adds to the danger.
Right.